Hi everyone and welcome back to the Good Brothers YouTube channel. Today we're going to look at another one of our key producers from Spain, Raúl Calle. Raúl and his wife Laura are based in Sierra de Gredos, which again is southwest of Madrid. Fantastic, untamed, wild region. Very, very little commercial grape growing here. Now, Raúl and Laura bought their first vineyard in 2013. Their whole ethos is about sustainability and being respectful to the environment. So they work in a natural manner. They find small plots of land, which they then rejuvenate. They have up to 75-year-old vines in some of their vineyards. They are brilliant, brilliant people. Everything is done on a shoestring, but the wines really stack up. Raúl Calle Malavara orange wine from Sierra de Gredos in Spain. This is a Malvasia and Malvar grape variety. Two grape varieties which are fantastic when made with skin contact. Really aromatic, really juicy. Malvar name comes from the fact that the grape is Malvar, and also that mal in Spanish means bad. The idea being that historically Malvar was considered a bad grape that couldn't be used. Absolutely wrong. This is fantastic wine. It's seen 15 days of skin contact. It's got lovely tangerine notes coming through, really fresh, really vibrant, absolutely lively on the palate with acidity. Brilliant, brilliant wine. This, again, try with oily fish, try with grilled asparagus. Absolutely stunning. Available at Good Brothers to Go. Go and have a look. Raúl Calle Churumbi Rosado from Sierra de Gredos in Spain. This is a rosé wine made from Grenache Noir. It absolutely fizzes with excitement, this wine. It's fantastically lively. It's got so much energy, so much lovely fruit, fermented in oak, so it has a lovely structure to it. It's got sort of spiciness, it's got cherries on the palate. It's just wonderful. It's so different from the very elegant styles of French Provence rosé that we are used to. This has got so much more going on. Very little of it ever made, so if you can grab a couple of bottles, do. We've got some at Good Brothers to Go. Head over there, find it if you can. Raúl Calle Nude Tempranillo. Just look at that bottle, isn't it fantastic? This is Raúl Calle's Tempranillo from Sierra de Gredos in Spain. This is totally unoaked. This is old rootstock, old vine, 75, 76 years old. It is a very natural style of Tempranillo. No oak whatsoever, so it's all about freshness and vibrancy. Has a little bit of funk on the nose when you open up, but it's got spiciness, bit of smokiness coming through, real dark cherries on the palate. Absolutely fantastic. We've got a few bottles across at Good Brothers to Go. Head over there and get some if you can. Raúl Calle Naturiti Tempranillo. This is Raúl Calle's second Tempranillo that we have, and it's very different from the Nude. This is a oak-aged Tempranillo, much younger vine stock here. So the vines are generally between 15 and 30 years old, so much, much younger. The oak uses American oak, and the wine sees 4 months of oak aging once it's been pressed. Okay, hand-picked, hand-pressed, fermented with skins for 15 days, so real intensity here. It's packed full of cassis and dark, dark flavors, much more traditional, but I don't like using that phrase, traditional Tempranillo, packed full of flavor, absolutely fantastic. Head over to Good Brothers to Go, you'll find it there.